So welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about honey fermented garlic. It's one of these things that we're trying, and we're in a healthier diet for ourselves, and this is something that we found. And through our research, we found a bunch of benefits of this, to include the great taste that it has. So I'm going to read a few things that in my research that I found, or in our research that we found. So we know that garlic has benefits in helping with high blood pressure, lowering your cholesterol, fighting against cold and flus, and helping build stronger bones. So garlic has also has a lot of antibiotic and antiviral properties in it. And we also know that honey, not only with its helping with people with allergies, especially if it's your local raw honey, the local pollen that the bees use, will help people with allergies there. But we also know it's full of antioxidants, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties, along with, helping with high blood pressure and cholesterol. So when you combine the two together, honey it has an indefinite shelf life. So you can put the garlic in there and it's not going to go bad. It'll last for years. But you're getting all these properties together. And then, like I said at the beginning, you can also use it as a marinade on some chicken or something like that, which tastes great. But just by itself, just a garlic clove with a spoonful of honey that's mixed with, is very good. And if you feel the onset of a cold coming on or something like that, taking that for a couple of days will help boost some of those cold fighting nutrients that your body needs to help fight that stuff. So let's get on with the video. Enjoy, and we'll do a taste test at the end, so you're going to see that we actually do eat the stuff, and it's great. Thank you for watching. Okay. I burped. So this is the honey garlic that we put together. We've got a little weight in there that holds the garlic majority down, but you can see the honey's turn into liquid as it ferments. You have to burp it every day, which we just did. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's come along quite well. Very potent in smell. And we'll see how it turns out.
Smells good.
Yep. Okay. Really wish you guys could smell this. It smells wonderful. Okay, so you saw me take one bite of the honey garlic earlier in the video. This is it. This is the end of it. We've been eating on it for a while. We actually did 2 jars.
Yeah, this is the jar that we were eating on. I gave to Melody and Dennis. This was the second jar we made, and this one was made January 18th.
And we're in April already.
Yeah, it can keep up to years.
Yeah. So one of the things, I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning of the video or not, but you have to use raw organic honey. You
Yeah,
can't use any pasteurized or any,
unfiltered.
whatever, because you need all the raw nutrients.
Well, when you don't have the raw unfiltered, and you use the stuff that is
Pasteurized.
Yeah, then it doesn't do what it's supposed to, and it goes bad.
Correct. So bottoms up. It will keep the vampires away.
Yeah.
But great. If you start feeling like you're getting the sniffles, you know, a couple of times a day with this stuff, or like I said, you can take it out, chop the garlic up kind of coarsely and use it as a garlic honey glaze on some chicken or whatever you're going to cook
You could
with.
even do it on fish,
Yeah.
certain fish maybe.
But really good. It's simple to do.
Yeah.
It's just got to sit. You got to let it sit for about 3 weeks before it's ready to go at all. Burp it every day for the first 3 weeks, and you'll get to a point where you don't have to burp it anymore. You'll see bubbles coming up and everything else during the fermentation process. Once it's done with that, it's ready to go. And then, like I said, garlic clove and a little bit of honey each day is good for you.
We watched a video where a lady, gosh, how was it, like
5 years old?
5 years old? I know it was years. And she was eating on it.
Yeah.
So it's, yeah. And then if you get local raw honey, that's where you
Get the local pollens and stuff that
right.
you may be allergic to in your area.
Right.
And that's,
They say allergies.
that's what we talked about at the beginning is,
Yeah.
you know, it can help with some of the
Yeah.
allergy stuff. So
Pretty good.
there you go. Try it. It's pretty simple to do.
It's very simple.
Doesn't have to be refrigerated or anything. Just leave it on the counter. Something fun to do. It's good for you. So with that said,
God bless.
and hugs. Let me know what you think about the shirts.
Yeah, we'll do another video. I've started doing our printing for the shirts. Right now we have 2 colors. We have the military green and we have black. The military green is the only ones that I have done. I don't have any black ones done yet. You can have this on the front, or you can have, if you choose to have it on the back. If you are military, we can do Army, Navy, Marine Corps, Air Force, whichever one. So yeah,
All right.
but we'll do more.
See you on the next one.
Bye.